Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have ISOTUNES Pro 2.0 Bluetooth earplugs and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earplugs will not connect to your Bluetooth device, or if they are not pairing or they're not syncing, or if they keep disconnecting, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you will need to repair them and set them up again, as everything will be wiped off of them, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get a fresh start with these earplugs and have them forget all of their previous pairing so that you can set them up on a new device, we can go ahead and do that with this hard reset. It is very easy to do. All you need to do is come in and find the volume up and volume down buttons, and we're going to press and hold them simultaneously for 5 seconds. After about 5 seconds, you'll get a single purple or pinkish beep or blink on this light here, indicating that the reset is complete.